Good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is your math teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane. On the behalf of our school Sri Patrao Bhosle High School Usmanabad, let's welcome into this online video lecture series of class 5 for subject mathematics here. So in the last video, we are starting our third lesson, that is addition and subtraction, that is related about the numbers here. So about this addition and subtraction, in the last period, that means into the last video, that is into video number 1, we are getting the information about the procedure of addition there. So that is your first video, and now we are going to continue our second video on the same topic, that is addition and subtraction here. So you have seen clearly the heading of our third lesson here, that is third, addition and subtraction. So let's start today's part into the second videos here. Now in first video, the information that about addition and subtraction we completed. In that first operation that we started there, that is about addition, we continues the explanation about that addition process there. We observe that the example of addition is always given in horizontal method, and we always carry out the answer of addition into the vertical method there. Their steps we follow into the last video. Now into this video, on that same addition here, we have given a problem set number 7 there. That problem set number 7 we are going to start here into the second videos here. Now when you observe your textbook of class 5 mathematics here, on page number 10, that is you have given your this problem set number 7. This problem set is just given under the title of revision, addition revision there, and the examples that given into this problem set, these examples are based on your previous knowledge that you had to complete it into 4th standard there. So let's start for this problem set number 7 into this video here. Now into this problem set number 7, the question that we have given there, that is the add, question 1, add there, and in this question, under this question, we have given 4 examples, and now by using the steps of addition, we are going to complete these 4 examples there one by one. While observing these 4 examples for the addition here, it is important to all the students here to observe to listen these 4 examples there. While observing these 4 examples, we have to remember how we can make the vertical arrangement of these numbers here, and if you got the meaning, if you got the thinking about this vertical method for addition here, then you can easily calculate the answers for addition here. So let's start for the first example in this question 1. The first example that is given, now you can observe on the screen here. The first example that here I want to read out here, 40,722 plus 13,819. Now when you observe this example, the first number is of 5 digit and second number is also of 5 digit here. That means this is the addition of 2 5-digited numbers here. Now while observing the vertical method into this example, now into this vertical method here I am using 5 columns. Why here I am using 5 columns? That kept remember here, because both numbers are just of 5-digited. So 5 columns. The first column here I am taking ones, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000, and fifth that is 10,000s there. Now into this vertical method, that is into these 5 columns, now we want to arrange these given 2 numbers by a proper way. So while arranging these numbers into this column, it is important to arrange each digit at its own place there. So first number, let's observe there how we can put up 40,722 there. So while writing 40,722, 4 we write into the 10,000 place, 0 we write into the 1000 place, 7 we write at 100 place, 2 we write at tens place, and 2 again we write at ones place. Thereafter we arrange second number, that is 13,819. So while arranging that second number, 1, that is extreme left position, we arrange into the 10,000 column. 3 we arrange below 1000 there, that is below 0 there. 8 we arrange below 7 into the hundreds column. 1 we arrange below 2 into tens column, and 9 we arrange into the ones column, that is below 2 there. Now this is the proper vertical arrangement here. After making proper vertical arrangement here, now it is important to start the basic operation for addition. And in earlier explanation we learned that the operation of addition we always start from ones place here. So starting from ones place, 2 plus 9 we had to make the addition. Now we write here 11, 2 plus 9 we get as 11. Now 11 is a 2-digit number, so for 11 we write 1 into the main answer, and next 1 we take as a carry into the tens column. You can observe there. Now after making addition of ones, now let's move towards tens column. Now into tens column we have given 2 plus 1 main digit, so 2 plus 1 we got 3 there, and in that 3 we had to make plus 1 as a carry, so 3 plus 1 we get here 4. Now let's move toward 100 column. 7 plus 8, 7 plus we get a number there 15. 15 is a 2-digit number, so for 15 we write there 5, and 1 that taking as a carry into the next addition, that is into 1000 column. Now let's move towards 1000 column here. So 0 plus 3, these are main digits, so 0 plus 3 that we get 3 there, and into that 3 we make plus 1 as a carry there, so 3 plus 1 we get here 4. Now the last addition, that is at 10,000 place, so 4 plus 1 such digits are there, so 4 plus 1 we get as 5 here. So after taking this last addition at 10,000 plus, final answer we get for this example as 54,541. So this is the sum of these two given numbers into the first example. Now let's proceed towards the second example given into this problem set number 7. Now second example that here I am keeping in front of you. Let's observe that second example. So in second example again we have given two numbers. First I want to read out those two numbers here. 56,427 plus second number 10,648. Again both numbers that are given here, both numbers are just again of 5 digits. That means this is the same example as like previously first example here. Now when we observe the vertical method for this example here, again we are using 5 columns. First column ones, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000, and fifth that is 10,000 here. Now into this 5 column we want to arrange the given two numbers here. First number we arrange there, that is 56,427. so while arranging that 5 we write into the column of 10,000, 6 into the column of 1000, 4 into the column of 100, 2 into the column of tens, and 7 into the column of ones. Thereafter we arrange second number 10,648. so while arranging that second number, 1 we write into the 10,000 place below 5 there. After that 0 we arrange below 6 into the thousand column. Thereafter 6 we arrange below 4 into the hundreds column. Thereafter 4 we arrange into the tens column below 2, and thereafter 8 we arrange below 7 into the ones column there. After making this is the proper vertical arrangement. Now we are going to start here our basic operation here, starting from ones column. 7 plus 8. Now the addition of these two digits we got as a 15 there. Now 15 is a two digit number, so instead of that 15, here I am writing 5 into the main answer and 1 taken as a carry into the next addition of tens column. Now into tens column, if we move there, 2 plus 4, these are main digits there, so 2 plus 4 that we get as a 6 here, and we make plus 1 carry there. 6 plus 1 we get there 7. Thereafter when we move towards 100 column here, 100, so we observe two digits there, 4 plus 6, so 4 plus 6 that we get 10, so 10 is a two digit number, so for 10 we write 0 into the main answer and 1 taken as a carry into the next column, that is at 1000 there. So let's move into the 10,000 here. 6 plus 0 that we get 6, and 1, if we make add 1 as a carry into that 6, so we got answer here 7. So last addition in that is at 10,000 column, that makes 5 plus 1 there, we got answer as a 6. So after making the addition of this last place, that is at 10,000 plus, we got the final answer here as 67,075. So this is the sum of these given two numbers into the second example. After this second example, now we are moving towards third example given into this our problem set here. So third example, again here I am keeping in front of you. Let's observe this third example given here. Again, addition of two numbers given into this third example. First number I want to read here, 64,027, plus second number, if we read out, 28,409. Now when we read these given two numbers, we observe that again both numbers that given here are just of 5 digited. That means this example is also same as like previously two examples here. Now let's make vertical arrangement for this example here. Now if you observe the vertical arrangement here, again we are using 5 columns. Why here I am taking 5 columns? The reason behind this you can understand here, that is both numbers are just of 5 digited here. So first column that is 1, second tens, third 100, fourth 1000, and fifth that is 10,000s there. So after making this columns here, now we want to arrange the given two numbers into this column here. First number we arrange here 64,027. So while arranging that, 6 we write in 10,000 column, 4 we write into 1000 column, 0 we write into the hundreds column, 2 we write into the tens column, and 7 we write into the ones column. After making the arrangement of first number, now it is important to arrange second number there. So while arranging second number, 28,409, now we write 2 into 10,000 column below 6 there. Thereafter 8 we write below 4 in 10,000 column. Thereafter 4 we write below 0 in hundreds column, 0 we write below 2 into tens column, and 9 we write below 7 into ones column. After making this vertical arrangement by proper way, now we are going to start here our example, that is our answer. Starting from ones column, So 7 plus 9, if you observe there, 7 plus 9 we get 16. Now 16 is a 2-digit number, so we write 6 as a main answer and 1 taken in as a carry into the next addition. So let's move towards tens column here. So at the tens column, 2 plus 0, these are meant 2 digits here. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 0 we got 2, and in that we make plus 1 there. So 2 plus 1 we got 3 there. Thereafter, if you observe at hundreds column, 0 plus 4 we got answer as 4 there. Thereafter, let's move towards thousand column. At thousand column, 2 digits that are given for addition are 4 plus 8. So 4 plus 8, that we got answer 12. Now 12 is a 2-digit number, so that's why we write 2 as a main answer and 1 we taken as a carry into the next addition. Now into the last addition, that is at 10,000 plus 6 plus 2 we got 8 and we make plus 1, that taken as a carry there. 8 plus 1 we get as a 9 there. So after making the last addition, the final answer we got for this third example as 92,436. So this number 92,436, this is called the sum of given two numbers here. So after this third example, now we want to arrange here. We want to continue the fourth example given into this problem set. Now fourth example that you have to continue here in this way. First here I am reading both numbers. First number 33,216 plus second number 28,540. After observing, I think, the given two numbers here, again into this fourth example, both numbers that are given there, that are 5 digits each. That means again both numbers are of simple here. So if you observe this vertical method for this example, in vertical method here I am taking 5 columns here. Again same way, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. These 5 columns here I am using. After that, in these 5 columns we arrange the given two numbers by a proper way. So first we arrange here 33,216 there. So while arranging that number, 3, that is extreme left position, with these 3 we write at 10,000 column there. Thereafter next 3, that also write at thousands column there. 2 we write into the hundreds column. 1 we write into the tens column and 6 we write into the ones column. After arranging first number, second number we want to arrange there 28,540. So while arranging second number, 2 we arrange below 3 into the 10,000 column. 8 we arrange below 3 into the 1,000 column. 5 we arrange below 2 into hundreds column. 4 we arrange into the tens column, that is below 1, and 0 we arrange below 6 into the ones column. So after arranging these given numbers in vertical method, now we are going to start here addition from ones column. So when you observe at ones column, that is the simplest addition. 6 plus 0 we got 6, we write 6 as answer. Thereafter at tens column, 1 plus 4 we got 5 is there. Thereafter if you observe at hundreds column, 2 plus 5 we got answer as 7 there. Thereafter when you have observed addition at thousands column, that is 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8 we get 11. Now 11, that is a 2-digit number, so for 11 we write 1 there into the main answer and 1 taken as a carry into the next addition. So let's move towards next addition of 10,000s there. So at 10,000 main 2 digits are 3 and 2, so 3 plus 2 we get 6 sorry 5, and 5 plus 1 we get 6 there. So after making last addition, the answer for this fourth example that we get as a 61,756. So this number 61,756, it is called the sum of these given two numbers here. So in this problem set number 7 on page number 10 in our textbook, these just 4 examples that are given here. Now while observing these 4 examples here, all examples are given just related about 5 digits number only. Now while solving these examples here into this, the numbers here I am writing into the column way. Now there is no need to make the columns in this way for each time. Now in explanation we learned that without column we also make the addition of two numbers there. So that method we had to follow into this 5th standard. Now about that method without making column, how we can make the addition. So I am extending this problem set with the help of 2 examples such here. Now the next example number 5 and example number 6, that are somewhat of our out of textbook there. Now in those 2 examples, that here I want to take the without column method here. Now these examples we are observing into the next slide there. Now the next slide that here I am taking in front of you in this way. Now here we are taking example 5 in front of you, that's in this way. Here I am writing example number 5. Now the writing method is quite different here. So just thinking here that 24,179 plus 68,171. Now these are 2 numbers here I am taking in front of you. Again these 2 numbers are of just 5 digits as previously 4 examples here. Now into this example we are using without column technique. Previously 4 examples we make 5 columns there. Now without column we had to learn how to make the addition of these 2 numbers here. So here first number we arrange here in a regular way, that is 24,179. Take plus sign there. After that below this, now we had to arrange here the second number 68,179. Now in previous 4 examples we have columns there, so it is somewhat easy to arrange the second number. Now into this example we are not taking the columns. Now we want to arrange second number. So most of students get difficulty to arrange the second number. So it is important to arrange the digits at proper places one by one, that is here. So how we can arrange 68,171? So if you do get difficulty, then easy task there. We had to arrange 68,171 opposite way. That means instead of 6 we start second number from 1. That means we arrange the number from 1's place. So 1 we take below, that is 9. 7 we take below 7. 1 below 1. 8 we take below 4. Thereafter 6 we take below 2. So this is the proper vertical arrangement. Now when we observe, when here I am getting the second number arrangement, first I am taking 1 below 9. So can you think here, we take 1's place below 1's place. then we take 7 below 7, that is tens place below tens place. Thereafter we arrange 1 below 1, that is 100 place below 100 place. Thereafter we arrange 8 below 4, that is 1000 place below 1000 place, and we arrange 6, that is below 2, that is 10,000 place below 10,000. So this is the way to arrange second number easily. After making vertical arrangement proper way, now it is important to start the addition from ones column here, that is digits at ones place or unit place. So at ones place we have given two digits 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1, if you make the addition we get 10. For 10 we write 0 and 1 taken as a carry into the next addition. Now at tens place, 7 plus 7 we got 14, and we make plus there 1, that is 14 plus 1 15. So for 15 we write 5 and 1 taken as a carry into the next addition. Now at 100 plus, 1 plus 1 2, and we make plus 1 there, so 2 plus 1 we got 3 there. Thereafter at 1000 plus, 4 plus 8 we got 12. Now for 12 we write here 2 and 1 taken as carry into the next addition, and last addition 2 plus 6, that will be 8, and 8 plus 1 we got 9. So this is our last addition, so we write number 9 as it is. So after taking the last addition, the answer that we get as a 92,350. Now in this example you had to observe the main fact that while arranging or while writing the answer, all digits here I am trying to kept one below each other. This is very important in vertical method. If you make the arrangement one below each other proper way, then you should get the answer correct only. So this is the fifth example that we continues without column here. Let's try to continue another one example in front of you. Now this is serial number 6 that we continues. Now into this sixth example, now we want to take here two numbers again in front of you. The first example number that here I am taking 98,174. Now we arrange take second number, that is 64,819. So again, as like previously 5 examples, into this example also here I am taking two numbers that are 5 digited each. Now we want to make the vertical arrangement for this example. So first number I am putting here in front of you, 98,174, take plus sign here. Now while arranging second number here, 64,819, now it is important to you to arrange that number proper way. So here I am starting from digit 9, that is at ones place since second number. So that 9 here I am keeping below 9. Thereafter 1 we kept below 7, 8 we kept below 8, 1 there, 4 we kept below 8, and 6 we kept below 9. So this is the proper vertical arrangement. So after proper vertical arrangement, now we have to start from ones column, that is digits at ones place. So 4 plus 9, these are two digits here, so 4 plus 9 we get answer as 13. So for 13 we write here 3 and 1 we taken as a carry into the next addition. Now moves at tens place. 7 plus 1 we get 8, and if you make plus 1 there, 8 plus 1 we got answer as 9. That here I am taking. Thereafter moves at 100 place. 1 plus 8 we got answer as 9. So 9 we write there. Thereafter at 1000 plus 8 plus 4 we got 12 there. So for 12 we write here 2 and 1 taken as carry into the next addition. Now 9 plus 6, this is your last addition. 9 plus 6 we got 15. 15 plus 1 it will be 16. Now into this, here I am writing 16 as it is. Why here I am writing 16 as it is? Let's think here. Because this is our last addition. After this making addition, this procedure should be complete here. So we write 16 as it is into the answer. Now when you observe the answer here, the final answer, that means the sum of these two numbers, we get as 1,62,993. So I hope so. By observing these two examples, you can understand here how we can continue the vertical arrangement without column also. Now this technique is important to you. Let's keep in mind here. So after these 6 examples in the explanation that related about this problem set number 7 that we taken, after this the next 4 examples here I am writing as a homework into this video here. So example number 7 that here I am taking. Now these next 4 examples, it is need to solve into your classwork notebook here. Here I am taking 7th example, 41,750 plus 19,112. This is your 7th example. Thereafter next 8th example that here I am taking. Let's continue here. 47,116 plus 12,817. This is your 8th example. Thereafter here I am taking 9th example in front of you, that is 37,651 plus 46,874. This is the 9th example. And the 10th example for this homework that here I am writing into this video, that is 24,679 plus 16,919. So here these are next 4 examples that here I am giving as a homework to complete in your classwork notebook. So this is the part that we continues in our this video number 2 related about our 3rd lesson, addition and subtraction here. So into this video now we have to stop here. After this, on this addition process, the main examples that given us that related about this 5th standard, that is the addition of 7, 8, 9 digit numbers or 6 digit numbers, that are quite bigger numbers there. Such examples we are going to start here in our next problem set number 8 there. That problem set we are going to take in our next videos. So till we have to stop here into this video number